So, as many of you may know, the Formosan termite is an invasive species which lives in Louisiana. It originally got here during World War II aboard ships returning from the Pacific Theater in port areas such as New Orleans and Lake Charles. They cause billions of dollars in economic damage by feeding on people's houses, trees, which later on fall on people's houses and their vehicles and things like that. And they're also found in the wild feeding on wetland tree species such as tupelo, live oak, bald cypress, and things like that. So typically, we have dealt with termites with insecticide, but as insecticide resistance becomes more prevalent, we're looking for new ways to deal with the insects. So one way that has been proposed by people has been to deal with the bacteria which live inside of their gut. So the bacteria in their gut, the community is relatively stable. It's very important, but there is a small amount of environmental variation. And this is important because it's important for nestmate recognition. So termites from different colonies with different gut bacteria can't recognize each other. So this might cause differentiation between colonies. So my idea was that there might be differentiation based on the actual wood species that they're feeding on in the wild. So that's what I'm investigating. So to do this, I'm capturing termites from the wild, feeding on wood species such as tupelo, live oak, pine, bald cypress, and I'm taking them back to the lab. I'm homogenizing them, allowing the bacteria to grow on nutrient agar plates, identifying these bacteria down to species so I can characterize the bacteria community inside of the gut. Then I'm looking at the population genetics, seeing if there is a relationship between the microbiome and the genetics, and comparing this all to diet. So hopefully that will be fruitful, and if this actually does prove to be a difference, then we might be able to deal with termites by attacking the microbiome directly rather than attacking the insect itself. So thank you.